Ever wondered what truly goes into that bag of kibble, feeding your furry best friend? It all begins with an unwavering commitment to quality. Starting with the careful selection of premium ingredients, think lean proteins, wholesome grains, and nutrient-rich vegetables as building blocks for a healthy canine diet. These carefully chosen ingredients are then brought together in massive industrial mixers, ensuring a perfectly balanced blend of nutrients. Each batch is meticulously formulated to meet stringent nutritional standards, designed for optimal canine health. This precise blending process is crucial. It guarantees that your dog receives a consistent and complete nutritional profile in every single bite, supporting everything from a shiny coat to strong bones. Next, the mixture enters a high-tech extruder here, under controlled heat and pressure. It's transformed into those familiar kibble shapes. We recognize this process also cooks the food thoroughly, making it safe and digestible. As the kibble cools, it's inspected for uniformity and consistency. Quality control is paramount at this stage. Highly trained technicians conduct rigorous testing to ensure the kibble meets all safety and nutritional benchmarks, from bacterial checks to precise nutrient analysis. Nothing is overlooked. Finally, the perfectly crafted kibble is ready for its journey to your home. Automated packaging lines ensure each bag or container is sealed efficiently, preserving freshness and protecting the nutritional integrity. This meticulous process, from farm-fresh ingredients to the final sealed bag, is dedicated to providing your beloved dog with a safe, delicious, and nutritionally balanced meal every single time.